Let's have a look at question 2b, part 1. So we have been given some information here that energy intake is modelled by a normal distribution, which is why I've got the little graph below, with a mean of 11,200 kilojoules and a standard deviation of 2,230 kilojoules. So I'm just going to start by putting a line down the middle, putting my mean of 11,200 there, and just tucked underneath that I'm also going to write my standard deviation of 2,230 kilojoules. Okay, now let's look at the question. So it says an energy intake above 12,800 often leads to overeating, and we want to find that as a probability that they ate above 12,800 kilojoules. So I'm going to draw a line here, and that is going to be where my 12,800 kilojoules is, and I want the probability of being above it, so I want to find that area there. So I know I'm dealing with normal distribution, and I also know that I want my NCD mode on my calculator, and so for that I need to know what is my lower, what is my upper, what is my standard deviation, and what is my mean. So when I talk about my standard deviation, I've got that 2,230 and 11,200 for my mean. Now I want you to think the area that I've shaded in here, think about that axis. The 12,800 is the first number in it, so that is my lower, is 12,800, and that axis goes on for a long way. So I'm just going to pick a lovely big number and something that would be really an outlier, and I'm just going to go and put lots of zeros down. Okay, so it just needs to be a very big number. Now I'm going to go and get my calculator, and I am going to go distribution, normal, NCD mode. I've got my lower of 12,800, my upper, just a big number. My standard deviation was 2,230, and my mean is 11,200. And that gives us a probability there of 0.2365. Okay, just going to go to 4 decimal places. So 0.2365. So P equals 0.2365. And there is our answer.